about putting together an emergency kit?
Not really, but I have some basic stuff at home. I haven't prepared a proper emergency kit yet.
Well, it's always important to build an emergency kit. Natural disasters, power outages, or even medical emergencies. It's always better to be prepared.
Yeah, first you need the essentials, water and non-perishable foods for at least 3 days. That's the most important.
So you mean bottled water and canned food, right?
Well, you need a flashlight with extra batteries, prescribed medications, and electronic gadgets that your family might need.
So, let's build an emergency kit.
As it leads us right, with a hope that none can quell. Oh, good shepherd, the school we love so well. Oh, good shepherd, the school we love so